Are you interested in using Power BI within your company but don't know where to start? In this video, I'm going to explain to you guys what Power BI is and 3 main reasons why you should be using it. Hi guys, my name is Fernan from Solutions Abroad. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with anything and everything Power BI. So you've probably come to this video because somebody's recommended to you Power BI, or you've seen a Power BI report in action, or maybe you're thinking about using it but you don't know if it's the right fit for your business. In this video, I'm going to talk about why I think you should be using Power BI for your business. And make sure you stick around to the end of this video guys, because I'm going to go through a step-by-step guide on how you can quickly get started with Power BI using Excel data. For those of you who don't know, Power BI is an analytics software provided by Microsoft. BI stands for Business Intelligence. Power BI is separated into 3 different components. Your journey starts with the Power BI desktop, which is an application that you install in your machine. Here is where you'll organize your data and build out your report. The great thing about this is that Power BI desktop is completely free, so you can get started with transforming your data and building out your reports. The next step to your journey is the Power BI service, which is where you'll publish the reports that you created in Power BI desktop and publish it on the cloud through the Power BI service. In this Power BI service is where you'll be able to create dashboards out of your reports, which you can use for interactive storytelling. This is also where you'll be able to collaborate with your teams. You can share things like reports or dashboards within your team or within your organization. Just be aware that these collaboration features are part of a paid service. The Power BI service also lets you create mobile versions of your dashboards. These mobile versions are available through the Power BI app, which gives you access to your data anywhere. The first reason why is that you can get your data from anywhere. This means that even if your data is scattered across different types of data sources like Excel sheets or Azure databases, Power BI is able to extract data out of them and make meaningful reports and dashboards from it. The second reason is that Power BI gives a lot of control to its users over its data. In Power BI, not only you can use filters for your reports, you can also do things like create interactive dashboards to tell a story. You can make your reports interactive and let your users interrogate their own data. You can ask questions to your data and get real-time responses, and even make use of machine learning and algorithms to make sense of your data. The third reason is that Power BI makes collaboration fluid. You've probably experienced sending around Excel sheets with tons of data, or maybe sending around PowerPoint charts and slides, but you don't know if it's correct or up to date. That probably sounds super familiar to you. The Power BI service lets you share reports and dashboards across your organization. You don't have to worry about data access and security. You can even set your reports to automatically refresh to make sure that your reports are always up to date. So those are my 3 reasons why you should be using Power BI. It lets you get data anywhere, gives your users more control with their data, and it makes collaboration more fluid. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can quickly get started using Power BI if you have your data in an Excel. The first thing that you need to do is to download Power BI Desktop from the Power BI website. Once you've downloaded Power BI, it's time to get started. This is a sample Excel file that I'll be using for this demonstration. It's a list of London boroughs and the number of crimes committed in the past 24 months. This file is located in my downloads folder. To get that data into Power BI, what you're gonna need to do is hit Get Data and select Excel. Now select that Excel file that you have in your machine and hit Open. Now Power BI gives us a preview of what data exists in this Excel. From this preview, we can already see that the column names are not correct, so we need to fix that. Let's tick the sheet and hit Transform Data. You'll see that Power BI Desktop now opens the Power Query window, which is where you will transform your data into something more useful for your reports. Here we'll do some basic data transformations on our data. Let's fix the column headers first. We can do that by using this button. This promotes the first rows into headers. There are a few more things I would like to fix in this data, but let's leave that for now and hit Close and Apply. You'll see that the column headers that we fixed are now visible on the right hand side. Now you can start making some basic visualizations using this data. I suggest you play around with it and see what kind of reports you can make. If you want to follow along with the demo, I'm including a download link in the description box below. Let me know if I've convinced you into using Power BI by leaving a comment down below. Please leave a like on this video if you enjoy this kind of content. It will really help me grow out this channel and reach out to more people. If you want to get in touch, I've included my email address along with my social media accounts in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you again next time.